Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 11.3. Find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. So that first question, that A is radius is given 14 centimeters. So circumference is equal to, that is 2 pi r. If the radius is given, r means radius, pi is the value of finding the circumference. So 2 into pi value is 22 upon 7 and then r value is given 14. So 7 2 ja 14. So that multiply 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8 centimeter, sorry centimeter only. And then similarly second part, that 28 centimeter is given there. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So that 2 into 22 upon 7, that's pi value, and then that is 28. So that 7 4 ja 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 2 ja 16, 117 centimeter. C part you can do easily, no problem will be there. And then second question. Now find the area of the following circle given that radius is given that. So that A part r is equal to given that 14 millimeter, that is mm. So area is equal to that formula is pi r square. So that 22 upon 7 into r is 14 into 14 because there is a square. So 14 into 14, 7 2 ja 14 and then multiply 22 14 and 14 2 ja 28 and 28, that is a 616 mm square. B part, that given diameter is equal to 49 meter. So first of all we will find the radius. Radius means half of the diameter. Okay, and then area is equal to, that is pi r square. So pi is 22 upon 7 into, that is 49 upon 2 and then 49 upon 2, that is 7 7 ja 49 and 2 11 ja 49 and then by 2, that will be 2 2 ja 2 4 ja and then 2 5 ja and then 11 7 ja 77, that is 1886.5 meter square. C part you can do easily, no problem will be there. You can write in decimal or you can write in upon also. Third, if the circumference of a circle sheet is this one, find its radius, also find the area. So third part is circumference is given here. Circumference is equal to, we know that 2 pi r. So that the circumference is given, that is 154 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. So these things will come this side. So that will be 7 will go upside and these two will go in denominator side. So that will be r. So that cancel by 2 7 ja 14, 2 7 ja and then by 2 11 2 ja 11 7 ja. So that r is equal to 49 upon 2, or you can write in decimal form also, that will be 24.5. So that r is equal to 24.5 and then area we need to also find. So area is equal to, that is pi r square. So that pi r square means that 22 upon 7 into 24.5 into 24.5 and then 7 3 ja 21 and then 3 is left, 7 5 ja 35. By the multiply of that one, that will be 1886.5, that is in given centimeter or meter, that is given in that meter. So meter square. Fourth question you know that here, that will be, the fourth question is a garden wants to fence a circular garden, diameter is this one. Find the length of the rope need to purchase if he mark 2 round of fence. So that diameter is given here. So circumference, fencing means circumference, boundary of that one. So that is pi d. D is given. So 22 upon 7 into diameter is given there 21. 3 ja. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6 meter. 6 meter. That is a, so length of rope is equal to 2 times we are doing here. So that will be 6. So 6 2 ja 12, 13 meter. 132 meter need to that one. And then cost also we need to find that. So cost is equal to that is given rate. Rate is given there 4 into 132. So that is rupees 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 1 ja 4 1 5, 528 rupees. These two are the answers. Fifth question is that from a circular sheet of a radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter removed, find the area. So find the area of the remaining part. So area of remaining part is equal to, that is pi r square minus pi r square. So that pi is common. So r square minus r square. So that pi value is 22 upon 7. And then r value is, greater r is there 4. And then pi value is also given here 3.14. That is a 4 square minus 3 square. Here we need to calculate. Here we will do directly 4 plus 3 7 and 4 minus 3 1. So that multiply of both that will be 7 4 ja 28, 7 1 ja 7 2 9, and then 7 3 ja 28, 21.98, that is centimeter square. And then fifth question you will be see here. Fifth question we have done here. Now will be the sixth question. Sixth question is that Simon want to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. One diameter is given there. Find the length of the lace required and also find the cost of 1 meter of the lace cost rupees 15. So that's simple. We need to find that circumference. So that pi d, diameter is given there. So that pi value is given 3.14 into d is 1.5 centimeter. So that will be 4.71 meter less they be need to cover that table. And then cost is equal to that is rate given there. Rate is given there. What is the rate is 15 into 4.71. So that multiply, that will be 70.65 rupees by the multiply of that one. Seventh question. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure. You are looking in the figure in your diagram, so that you will be include that diameter also, and then hemisphere. That is a semicircle. So that is a perimeter is equal to half pi d plus that is a d. So that 1 upon 2 into that 22 upon 7 into that is given 10. That is given 10 plus 10. So that 2 11 and then 11 plus 10. So that 10 10 70, 180 upon 7. That is in given centimeter. Yes, centimeter. Or you can write in decimal form also. That will become in decimal form 7 2 ja 14. 7 3 ja 21, 7 2 ja 14, and 7 5 ja, and then 7 centimeter. Eighth question is that find the cost of the polishing of circular tabletop of diameter that one. After this, So diameter is given here. So first of all we will find the radius, because we are finding the area. So radius is equal to decimal 8 meter, 0.8 meter. So area is equal to that is pi r square. So pi value is given here. Yes, pi value is given here 3.14 into that is decimal 8 into decimal 8. That by the multiply of that one, that is a 30.14 meter square. Ninth question. Sajli took a wire of length 44 centimeter. Wire is 44 centimeter. That is, it means this is the perimeter or circumference. Both are the same thing, perimeter or circumference, and bend into a shape of a cylinder. Find the radius of that circle. So circumference is equal to, we know that 2 pi r, and circumference given 44, and then 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. So these things will come this side. So 44 into 7 upon 2 into 22 is equal to r. So that 2 2s are 2 2s are, that is cancel. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. Also find its area. That is one answer. So area is equal to pi r square. So that 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel by 7. So 7 to the 14. 7 to the 14 1 15 centimeter square. And then if the same wire is bent into a shape of a square, so what will be the length of each side? So that side is equal to perimeter upon 4. So that perimeter is 44. So 4 11 ja 44, that is a 11, that is a centimeter. Answer. This one also answer. And then I think it's finding the area also. Area of square. So area of square is equal to, we know that side square. That means 11 multiply 11, that is a 121 centimeter square. 121 centimeter square. And then which figure includes more area? Which figure include more area? Circular figure. Include more area. 10th question. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter to circle of radius 3.5 centimeter, and that rectangle length is 3 meter and breadth is 1 centimeter, and then find the area of remaining sheet. So area of remaining sheet is equal to, that is a pi r square, and then minus pi r square, and then minus L into B, because this is the bigger circle and this is the smaller circle, subtracted, and 2 will be right also because 2 circle is there, and then this is a rectangular area. So that 22 upon 7 into that bigger r is radius is 14 into 14 minus 2 into 22 upon 7 into that is 3.5 into 3.5 minus that is L is given 3 and 1, 3 into 1. So 7 2 ja 14, 7 5 ja, and then 22 2 ja 44, 14 ja, 14 4 ja 56, 61, 616 minus 5 2 ja 10, that's a removed, and then after that will be 22 and 35, that 2 5 ja 10, 2 3 ja 6, 70, that is a 77 minus 3, and then after we will do 616 minus 78, and then after subtract, that will be 16 less 8, 10 less 7, 3, 5 30, that will be 538 is coming, that something is oh, that is a 80, sorry, that is a 80, that will be, so that is 10 less 2 5 28 will become. So something is, anything is else here. See that again we will do the multiply. 22 to the 44 and then 14, 4 4 is 16, 4 plus 16 1 17, 4 4 6 7 4 11 5 1 6 606. Right is that 2 5 is 10, that 2 radius circle is there, yes, that is a leap, and then 3.5 upon into 22. So that 2 5 is 10, 2 5 6 1 7, 2 5 77 70. So that is 77, this is also right. And then 3 1 is 3, that is also right. And we can check the answer also from the back side. 11.3 question number 10, 536 is coming. So that 14, 3.5, 3 into 1, 3 1 is 3, and then find the remaining seat area. 22 upon 7, that is okay, 16 less 8 8, and then that is 10, 10 less 8 2, and then this is the 5, that is a centimeter square. You can check the calculation here also. Something can be left also, or can be given the wrong answer in your answer sheet. And then question number 11, we will see that now. Eleventh question: a circle of radius 2 cm cut out from a square piece of aluminium sheet of side 6 cm. What is the area of the left? So that left area is equal to, that is a side square, and minus, that is a pi r square, so that side is 6 into 6, 6 into 6 minus pi value is 3.14 into that radius is 2 into 2 into 2. So that 6 6 is 36 minus 2 2 is 4, 4 4 is 16, 4 1 is 4, 1 5 minus 4 3 is 12. By the subtraction of that will be 23.44 centimeter square. 12th question: that the circumference of a circle is 3.14 or 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and area of circle. So that circumference is equal to, we know that 2 pi r. So that circumference is given 31.4 is equal to 2 into that 3.14 into r. So these two will go that side, so that will be 3.14 is equal to r. By the like decimal, that is a 0, that's cancel, that will be 10, that is a 5. So r is equal to 5. So area is equal to pi r square. So that 3.14 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is the answer. One answer is there, that in given centimeter, and then by the multiply of that thing, that will be 75, that 78.5 centimeter square. And then after 13th question: a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of flower bed is 66. So that is diameter is given, that is 66 centimeter. So r will be half of that one, 33 centimeter. So that r is 33, and then what is the area of path? So that capital R will be 33 plus 4, that is a 37 centimeter. So area of path is equal to, that will be area of path, that will be pi r square minus pi r square. So that pi is common, so that r square minus r square, that pi value is given here, that 3.14, that r is 37 minus, that is 33, and then by the subtraction and by the addition, that 0, 337, and then multiply 4, and then by the multiply, that will be 879 decimal, that will be 2. 8744 ja 4 7 ja 28, 4 7 ja 28, 8 4 ja 32, that will be 2 centimeter square. So 14th question is that a circular flower garden has a area, this one, and sprinkle at the center of the garden can cover the area of 12 radius. Will the sprinkle water the entire garden? So first of all we will find the area of a circle. So area of circle is equal to, that is pi r square. So that 3.14 into 12 into 12, that will be 12 12 ja 144, that is 144, and multiply that 144, 4 4 ja 16, 4 1 ja 4 5, 4 3 ja 12, 6 5 2 1, and then 4 1 3, that 6 5 11, 5 10 2 12, 2 2 4 1 5, 3 1 4, that decimal, that is a 452.1 centimeter square, and then area is given 314. So that will be, yes, that will be entire of that one. And then 15, 16, 17, the 3 questions are left in this exercise. So that 15th question, that find the circumference of the inner and outer circle, that is a circle. So in the adjoining figure, so that first of all, that capital R is given 19, and then small r is equal to 19 minus 10, that is 9, So that circumference, first circumference, that will be, that is pi r square, and then that is pi value is given in the 15th question, 3.14 into 19 into 19, that will be answer, that by the multiply of that thing, that will be 19 19s, that will be, that multiply is just lengthy, so you can multiply and then your answer will come. And then circumference of second one, that is a pi r square, that is 3.14 into 9 into 9, 9 9s are 81, 9 9s are 81, and then multiply, that will be, answer will come by multiply. 16th question, how many time a wheel of radius, this one, must to rotate of this meter? So radius is equal to, that is given 28 centimeter. So that will be decimal 28 meter, because that rotation to go is there given in meter. So that is circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So that is 2 into 22 upon 7 into decimal 28. So that 7 4 ja 28, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 2 ja 16, 1 17, 1 decimal, that will be come here. And then after how many time? So number of rotation, number of rotation is equal to, that is 352. 352 upon, that will be how many time rotation will be? 28 centimeter radius of rotation, that is 1.76, that is 76, sorry, and then after decimal that is a 20, so that cancel up this one, and then how many time will be go? 2 time, that is 2 time, so that is 200 rotation, that will be 200 rotation. And then 17th question, the minute hand of a circular clock 15 centimeter long, so that is a radius 15 centimeter. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? So that will be, how far does tip, that we will see the 16th question also, that is just looking 11.23, 200 time, yes, that is. So first of all we will find the circumference of that one. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, so that is 2 into 22 upon 7 into, that will be r is 15, so that 15 to 30, 3 to 6, 3 to 6 upon 7 centimeter. And then in 1 hour, how many tip will be there? So in 1 hour, that is a 60 minute, that is so 7 4 ja 7 9 ja 63, and then after 7 9 ja 63, and then 3 left 30, 7 4 ja 28, and then 2 is left, 7 3 ja 21 or 7 2 ja, that will be 74.2 centimeter. This is the answer. I have put here 22 upon 7. If you will be put here, that is 3.14, then you will be see that your answer will come like this same. Okay.